Wala kang
Halo? Are you ugly on purpose?
Hello? 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 Are you okay? No? Okay.
Oh, he's talking to you guys.
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
Art isn't just a painting in a stuffy museum. Art is alive. Art is blank. All right, what is art? Oh, okay. AIDS. Oh. What did you just say?
You know how to cash out on his favorite treats? We about to go to the vet and get him put down. What? You speak English?
Jay, what noise does a pumpkin make?
Babe, your boyfriend's here. Well, he has his own trash truck. And his shirt is off. Merv. Girl, he's gonna see you. Oh, jeez.
That's right.
Stupid little cat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you offended? I'm so sorry.
You're adopted.
Speak English. I know you can speak English. I'll give you $100 if you speak English.
Cooter, what's something that you wish the world could know?
Huh. Hello. Hello.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
I'm stuck up in my thoughts today, thinking if I'm all that you had wanted. Lately I've been drinking Tanqueray because my mind was racing and I'm tired of chasing you.